In the vast expanse of the cosmos, humanity has always felt a profound connection to something greater than itself. This is not just a feeling, it's a deep-seated sense that our lives are intertwined with the very fabric of the universe around us. Imagine standing on a mountaintop at sunrise, watching as the first light of dawn paints the sky in hues of pink and gold. As you gaze out into the horizon, you can't help but feel a spark within your soul, something akin to awe and wonder. It's as if the very act of looking up is connecting us with something beyond ourselves. This connection isn't just limited to moments of beauty or grandeur, it's present in every moment of our lives. Whether we're marveling at the stars, feeling a breeze on our skin, or experiencing joy through human interaction, these experiences remind us that there's more to life than what meets the eye. Philosophers and scientists have long debated whether this connection is purely physical or if it also has spiritual dimensions. Some argue that consciousness arises solely from biological processes in the brain. Others believe that we possess a universal consciousness, one that transcends individual bodies and minds. To explore these ideas further, we delve into the concept of cosmic consciousness, where the boundaries between our personal existence and the universe blur. This notion suggests that there might be an underlying fabric to reality, a fundamental unity from which all life emerges and returns. Imagine for a moment if you could feel every star in your heart, or hear the whispers of galaxies through your ears. Wouldn't it change how we perceive ourselves? How would our lives be different if we understood this interconnectedness on a deeper level? In exploring cosmic consciousness, we embark on a journey that stretches beyond scientific facts and philosophical theories. It's about understanding not just what we are but why we are here, why every moment matters, no matter how small. So as we begin this exploration, let us consider the vastness of space and time and the vast expanse of the universe. We find ourselves, tiny specks amidst trillions upon trillions of stars. But what if these stars and galaxies have more to offer than just light? What if they hold a deeper connection, a cosmic consciousness that influences us on both a physical and spiritual level? Imagine stepping out into a clear night sky, gazing up at the countless twinkling lights above you. Each one is a story of its own, a distant sun bathed in mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The ancient Greeks believed that stars were divine beings watching over humanity. Today, we know them as celestial bodies governed by physics and mathematics, but could there be more? The idea of cosmic consciousness suggests that the universe itself might possess some form of awareness or intelligence. This concept intertwines science with spirituality, suggesting a profound connection between us and everything around us. Let's delve into this intriguing notion step by step. First, consider how the vastness of space impacts our psyche. When we stand under an unobstructed night sky, feeling small yet connected to something immense, it can stir powerful emotions within us: awe, wonder, even a sense of belonging or purpose. This is not just a fleeting moment, these feelings shape who we are as individuals and as a species. Next, let's explore the biological connection between humans and celestial bodies. Our planet Earth receives energy from the sun in the form of light and heat. This interaction influences our circadian rhythms, the natural sleep-wake cycles that regulate so many aspects of human life. Similarly, the phases of the moon affect ocean tides, which indirectly impact our bodies as well. Then there are astronomical events like solar eclipses or meteor showers. These phenomena have inspired myths, rituals, and even scientific inquiry throughout history. For instance, a total solar eclipse can create a momentary darkness in broad daylight, causing people to pause and reflect on the transient nature of life itself, a reminder that we are part of something much larger in the vast expanse of space, where stars twinkle like tiny lanterns against a velvet black sky. Humanity has always gazed upwards with wonder. From ancient civilizations to modern times, our eyes have been drawn by the beauty and mystery that surrounds us. We've asked ourselves questions about existence: why are we here? What is our place in this vast universe? The idea of cosmic consciousness suggests that everything in the cosmos, from planets and stars to galaxies far beyond our sight, influences not just physical phenomena but also the human mind and spirit. It's a notion that intertwines science with spirituality, suggesting that the very fabric of the universe has an impact on us, on how we think, feel, and perceive the world. Let's take a moment to imagine the vastness of space. Stars twinkle like diamonds in a jeweler's display, but each one is actually a sun, a source of light and energy billions of miles away from Earth. These distant stars aren't just points of light, they're colossal furnaces that have been burning for countless years, shaping the very fabric of reality around us. Now consider our planet, with its oceans, mountains, and forests, our home in this cosmic dance. The Earth is constantly bathed in sunlight and radiation from these far-off stars. This energy isn't just physical, it could be influencing something more subtle, the human mind. Could the light from distant stars affect not only how we see but also our emotions and thoughts? In ancient times, people often saw a direct connection between celestial bodies and their lives on Earth. They believed that the movements of planets and stars dictated fortune and fate. Astrology is based on this idea, suggesting that the positions of celestial objects at birth influence an individual's life path. However, modern science has made great strides in understanding our universe. We know that light from distant stars takes years to reach us. For example, a star we see as it was 100 million years ago in the vast expanse of space, we find ourselves standing at a crossroads. The night sky above us, a tapestry woven with countless stars, holds more than just celestial beauty, it whispers secrets about our very existence and purpose. Imagine looking up on a clear night and seeing not only the familiar constellations but also the possibility that every star could be another world, possibly teeming with life. This idea has been part of human wonder for millennia. From ancient astronomers charting the heavens to modern-day scientists probing space with powerful telescopes, our gaze towards the cosmos is more than just a scientific endeavor, it's an exploration into who we are and what place humanity holds in this grand universe. The concept of cosmic consciousness suggests that not only do these stars influence us through their beauty and power, but they also have deeper implications for how we perceive ourselves. This idea intertwines science with spirituality, offering a perspective where the vastness of space can inspire profound questions about our connection to everything around us. At its core, cosmic consciousness is about understanding humanity's place in the cosmos. It challenges us to think beyond our immediate surroundings and consider the larger tapestry that includes not only Earth but also other planets, stars, galaxies, and even black holes. This exploration isn't just a journey through space, it's an inward quest for self-discovery. Consider this: when you gaze at the night sky, do you ever feel small? Do you wonder about the billions of light years separating us from distant stars? These questions are not just academic exercises, but they can lead to profound realizations. They might make us ponder our own existence and how we fit into a universe that seems so much larger than ourselves. The idea of cosmic consciousness isn't new, it has roots in various cultures throughout history. In ancient times, many civilizations saw the stars as guides or messengers from divine beings. This belief is still reflected today through stargazing clubs and astronomy enthusiasts who seek out answers to age-old questions. As we delve into the realm of cosmic consciousness, it's important to consider its real-world implications on our daily lives. This is not just a philosophical discussion, it's something that touches every aspect of how we perceive reality and interact with one another. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, feeling both small and part of an immense tapestry. This is what cosmic consciousness can feel like. It's about recognizing that our individual minds are connected to the universe as a whole. This concept challenges us to rethink not just how we see ourselves but also how we view others and nature. In many ways, this idea has real-world implications for everything from personal health and well-being to social interactions and global cooperation. For instance, if you believe that your consciousness is part of something larger than yourself, perhaps even the entire universe, that can lead to a sense of interconnectedness with all living things. This feeling might make you more compassionate towards others and motivated to act in ways that benefit not just individuals but also communities and ecosystems. Consider how this awareness could impact our daily decisions. When we understand ourselves as part of something greater, it might influence our choices about what we eat or the products we buy, choosing options that are sustainable and beneficial for both people and planet over purely selfish desires. It can inspire us to care more deeply about environmental issues like pollution or climate change because these problems affect everyone interconnectedly. On a social level, this consciousness could foster greater empathy and understanding among diverse communities. If you recognize the shared humanity in every person around you, it's easier to bridge gaps created by differences such as race, religion, or nationality. This can lead to more inclusive societies where people are less likely to engage in harmful behaviors driven by division. Moreover, this cosmic perspective challenges us to think beyond our immediate surroundings and consider long-term impacts of our actions on future generations. It encourages a sense of responsibility towards stewardship, not just for ourselves but also for the planet as part of its larger ecosystem. As we stand here, looking up at the vast expanse of night sky filled with countless stars, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe. Each twinkling light is not just another point of distant celestial bodies, they are windows into the universe itself. We're but tiny specks in this cosmic dance, yet our minds and hearts can't help but wonder about their stories. Throughout history, humanity has gazed upon these stars with both fear and fascination. From ancient civilizations to modern times, people have sought answers. What is out there? Why are we here? How do the vast distances of space relate to us on Earth? In exploring cosmic consciousness, one question looms large: does our connection to the universe run deeper than mere observation? Could it be that every star in the night sky influences not just the physical world but also something more profound, our thoughts, emotions, and very existence as conscious beings? The ancient Greeks had their theories. For them, everything from earthquakes to human affairs were influenced by celestial bodies. Later, during the Renaissance, thinkers like Copernicus and Galileo began to uncover a more scientific understanding of our place in the universe. While they dismantled old mythologies, they also opened new doors. Today, we stand at an intersection where science meets spirituality. Quantum mechanics hints that particles can be interconnected over vast distances, suggesting some form of non-locality. This challenges the classical idea of separate and isolated entities. And yet, even as our technological prowess allows us to reach out into space with probes and telescopes, something fundamental remains elusive. How do we bridge this gap between what we see in outer space and how it influences who we are? Some might argue that these questions are purely philosophical. Others believe there's a spiritual dimension here, an interconnectedness that transcends the physical realm. The idea of cosmic consciousness suggests that perhaps our lives on Earth are part of something much larger, a universe where every moment is intertwined with everything else. So as the universe is vast, but curiosity connects us. Subscribe to continue the journey.